Crafty Angels, Vanessa with AngelRose Designs, and today I'm here to do a video for a project share that was inspired by Natasha, who is the journey of crafting on YouTube, and I'm going to show you in just a minute my inspiration by her. So I hope y'all have a good weekend. It was a happy and healthy weekend. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I did. I was watching Natasha yesterday or a couple of weeks ago, and I love watching her crafting. And she had altered one of her Fabri-Tac bottles, and so I thought I would give my shot at it and give her the credit for the inspiration. So what I used was some felt and some laces and trims to do this, with some bling also. Okay, here's my Fabri-Tac bottle holder, cover, whichever you want to call it. Okay, and I also have some bling from some jewelry I had bought from Paparazzi a while back, and I like the way it fits on the bottle. It's nice and cozy on the bottle. See? And you just pull it out. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do it for my other bottles also. My other big bottles. Because I like having it altered. And having it look pretty on my desk. So I will see you. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now.